Hi boys and girls, today we are going to play a rhyming game called Whack-A-Rhyme, because we like to whack things when we're playing games in our classroom, so we're going to have a little fun with rhyming words today. Just a quick reminder that rhyming words are words that have the same middle and ending sound, kind of that chunk at the end, but the beginning sound is different. So let me give you an example. Let's think of a word like bag. B-A-G. Okay, the A and the G are going to stay the same, but we are going to change this beginning sound, okay? We're just going to leave ag. So instead of B, I might put L, and then keep the A-G. So instead of bag, I have lag, okay? Or I could add an F-L-A-G, and it becomes flag. But notice in all these rhyming words, the AG, that middle and ending sound, will stay the same, the middle vowel and the ending sound. The only thing that's changing is the beginning, okay? So to play Whack-A-Rhyme, I have a little stack of rhyming word cards here. I'm going to put a card down, and then I'm going to flip over a card and set it next to this one. If the word rhymes, we're going to whack it. If the word doesn't rhyme, we're just going to keep on going to the next card, okay? So let's look at this first word. This first word is cop. So we're looking for a word that rhymes with cop. Let's try this first one. Mad. Cop, mad. Nope. Net. Cop, net. Nope. Ram. Ram. Cop, ram. Nope. How about this one? Pot. Cop, pot. Oh, nope. That one's a tricky one because they both have that sound of O in the middle, but they don't have the same ending sounds. Listen, cop, there's that P, and then pot, there's that T. So that one's not going to work either. How about bug? Cop, bug. Nope. How about top? Cop, top. Oh! Whacked it. I think we found it. Up, op. They both end with top. Good job, everybody. Let me get another one in here. Let's do ham. Let's try to find a word that rhymes with ham. Okay, first word we will look at is rug. Ham, rug. No, that doesn't sound quite right. How about dog? D-og, dog. Ham, dog. No. Wig. W-ig. Ham, wig. No, I don't think so. Vet. Ham, vet. No, those don't sound quite right either, do they? Dad. Ham, dad. Ooh, those are tricky too because they do have that middle A sound, both of them do, but that ending sound, the last sound, is different. Ham, dad. So it sounds a little bit the same, but not quite. But this one, ram. It has big old horns. Ham, ram. Oh! Whacked it. Found the rhyming word. Did you find it too? Good job, everybody. Let's do a couple more. Let's do this word. Let's sound that out. Net. We're looking for words that end with et. Let's try to find one here. Dad. Net. Dad. Yeah, I don't think so. Cot. Like a little bed you might sleep on when you're camping. Net. Cot. Now those both end with the T, but that middle sound is different. Listen. net, caught. You can really hear that sound whenever we stretch it out. It just doesn't sound quite right. Wig, net, wig. Nope. Mad, net, mad. Nope, those don't sound right either, do they? How about jog, jog, net, jog. Nope, those don't sound quite right. Net, vet. Oh, did you hear that? Net and vet are rhyming words. Good job, they both end with et. We just changed that beginning sound. We could do that to make other words too. We could change net, vet, set. Can't think of any more off the top of my head, but we can make silly rhyming words or silly nonsense rhyming words like zet. Lots of words we can make with that. Let's try one more. Let's do rug. That U sound can be tricky. Ugh. We're looking for rhyming words that end with ugh. Let's try some here. How about this one? Og. Rug. Dog. Oh, not quite. They both do end with that G, but the vowel sounds are different. Rug. Dog. They're very different, even though they're pretty close. How about cop? Rug, cop. Nope, those don't sound quite right. How about rug, pig? Ooh, those are close too. That G at the end is trying to trick us, but those middle vowel sounds are different. Listen, rug, pig. Can't trick us. We won't let that happen. Here's another word, pot. Rug, pot. No, those don't rhyme. How about bug? Ooh, yuck. Rug, oh! I think we found the rhyme. They both end with ugh. Listen, rug, bug. We could make other rhyming words like slug, hug. Lots of choices there. So I challenge you to come up with some of your own rhyming words, just like you did with the number words in the 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe poem. All right, good job, everybody. We'll play a game sometime in the next couple weeks or so with rhyming words just like this, but we'll use a little bit harder words. I'm going to challenge you a little bit more, so hopefully you'll get some practice in before then. Have a great day, everybody.